The DoorDash Crimson Card is a prepaid Visa you can load funds onto. Cash App lets you send money, pay bills, and more. To link them, open Cash App, tap Add Cash, and select Prepaid Card. Enter your Crimson Card details, card number, expiration date, CVV, and zip code. For added security, use biometric verification like Face ID or Touch ID. Once linked, funds transfer instantly, up to $1,000 per day. This lets you use your Crimson Card balance within Cash App for purchases or withdrawals. Security is key when linking your DoorDash Crimson Card to Cash App. Always verify your card's authenticity through the DoorDash app to avoid scams. Enable transaction notifications in Cash App to monitor your balance. Use strong, unique passwords and two-factor authentication on both accounts. Avoid using public Wi-Fi when linking your cards, as these networks are less secure. If you notice any suspicious activity, report it to Cash App support immediately. Remember, this is a prepaid to digital wallet transfer, not a direct integration. Treat it like loading cash into an app for flexible spending. By following these tips, you can enjoy the convenience of linking your cards while keeping your information safe.